Is soap scum making your fiberglass tub look old and dirty? You scrub, but it just won't come off. Soap scum forms when soap mixes with hard water minerals. Fiberglass scratches easily if cleaned incorrectly. Never use abrasive cleaners on fiberglass. These can permanently damage the tub. You only need gentle household items. Always ventilate the bathroom before cleaning. Start by rinsing loose dirt away. Warm surfaces loosen soap scum faster. Dish soap cuts through greasy residue. Use gentle circular motions. For light buildup, this may be enough. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and safe. Apply it directly to the stains. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub lightly to avoid scratches. Rinse completely. Vinegar dissolves mineral buildup. Spray affected areas evenly. You may see fizzing. That's normal. Let vinegar work for a few minutes. Wipe gently with a soft cloth. Never mix vinegar with bleach. Corners collect the most buildup. Repeat gentle methods if necessary. Use cleaners labeled safe for fiberglass. Always follow instructions. Test before full application. Don't forget the drain area. Soap scum builds up on fixtures too. A toothbrush reaches small areas. Remove all residue completely. Drying prevents streaks. The tub should look bright again. Check for surface damage. Soap scum returns without prevention. Rinse the tub after every use. A squeegee reduces buildup. Liquid soap leaves less residue. Clean lightly once a week. Harsh products shorten tub life. Proper care extends tub life. Cleaning takes less than half an hour. You don't need expensive cleaners. Avoid abrasive tools. Gentle methods work best. The difference is clear. A clean tub improves hygiene. Now you can do this yourself. Consistency keeps it clean. Regular care prevents buildup. Gentle tools protect fiberglass. Enjoy a clean, fresh tub. Clean gently, rinse often, prevent buildup. Fiberglass needs special care. You save money by avoiding damage. A clean bathroom feels better. Thanks for watching. See you next time.